guys, Sean here, Sean Daniel back here, and today we will be doing Blitz Brigade, and this is my third episode of Blitz Brigade, and hope you guys enjoy. So we should get no likes, one view. If one person viewed this, I would happily appreciate it, and if one person viewed, I will make another video, or I'll not. I'll just continue making, guys. I only make videos for fun, guys. No need. You can just like it and subscribe or whatever you want. Let's go hit 5,692 likes in the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget this, guys. If we have 10,000 subscribers and likes, I will do a face reveal. So we'll only do castle drill, guys. Only 2 matches, guys. Only 2 matches, guys. Because not that much time, guys. Good, guys. We have to take it. We have to take them down. Nice job, guys. I will leave Blitz Brigade game I'll leave the game in the link below. I'll provide the game in the link below so that you can guys also play it. And don't forget, go to website blitzbrigade.com/app store. Oh my gosh, these guys are so complicated to destroy.
Has taken the lead.
My goshy. Go, guys, let's go. Ah! The cathedral and there's... Oh no, crap. Oh crap. Creep. Oh no, guys. Okay, guys, if you're experienced in Blitz Brigade, then if you're experienced in Blitz Brigade, you can put the help in the comments below. I would highly appreciate it, and I would love it if you would put a like and subscribe the video, guys. And as always, hope you guys enjoy the video. I know it's a little bit late, but yeah. Soldier, no, it's not my soldier. My teammate, I mean my teammate, not a soldier. He's not my soldier, he's just a teammate, guys. He's only just a teammate, don't worry. How can he not even see me from behind it? Why is the enemy not very good at seeing from behind? What are they doing? What are they doing? I heal you. Whoever... Why did you just jump over there, man? Why you jump there? You know that's suicide. Go to Suicide Squad. Go in the movie Suicide Squad. Oh my gosh! I wonder did he blow me up into blitz pieces? I know. Guys. Yes, I do. Yes, somebody needs my beside him. Okay, guys, nice match there. Next round, guys. But let's see how long I'll be recording. Okay, good. Let's do another one. Another one.
Need my assistance?
Yes, I do. Guys, it's only just the visitors, guys. Don't worry, it's just the visitors, guys. Really? Are you freaking kidding me, guys? What's up, guys? It's just my friend, guys. I'm sorry, guys. I hope you don't mind, guys. Can you please a little bit quiet down? I'm recording and I'm posting it on YouTube, guys. I'm making a YouTube video. I am making making a YouTube video, so can you please quiet down? Sorry guys, it's just visitors coming in, guys.
Good.
Don't worry, guys. Please don't dislike my video, guys. Don't dislike my video. Don't dislike my video, guys. Please don't dislike my video, guys. Don't dislike my video, guys.
He's joking.
Who's with you?
Dislike his video. He's joking. He's joking.
Dude, I'm really recording your voice now.
Okay.
Don't be so. Huh? This guy's cheater. Okay.
He's an innocent snowman.
No, he's killed me.
He's an innocent snowman.
It's just a game, man.
It's an innocent snowman.
Dude.
Don't blame the snowman.
Dude, I already got 4 views.
Don't blame the snowman.
Dude,
Don't blame
I'm
the
seriously broadcasting.
What's your YouTube channel?
It's a Sean Heeple. My YouTuber name's Sean Heeple. Don't make That's my YouTube channel name. So shush.
I don't know who's Sean Heeple.
Sean Heeple's my YouTuber name, you sarcastic jerk. Nice roasts. What the heck? Who was I killed by?
Ano password natin?
Bakit nakakonect ba sa akin?
Guys, where are we? I got 1 subscriber and 1 view. That's all I have. Yeah, you can subscribe my channel. Yeah. Nope, sarcastic jerk. That's for calling me fat. That's for calling me fat, Kuya Iris.
Oh, Sean
First
Heeple.
video, Blitz.
I don't know any Sean Heeple on YouTube.
What episode?
5 minutes remaining.
Malapit na.
I'm a little bit shy. Okay, guys, that was my friend playing my YouTube channel. So, bye, guys. See you guys later.
Tomorrow.